Okay, in this particular hotel, I'm up in my hotel here. So, yep, and I can overlook the subway right there, construction, stuff like that. And I guess what I'm going to be focusing on is this guy. And like, there's a guy who has all the stuff right there. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. And it's kind of interesting, right? Because in that median, you can't really get across the median very well, because there's bushes and things like that. But there's like people that live in them, right? So, and there's a little table over here as well. So basically, you never know. And there's a train right there. Okay. Anything else like that? Yeah, I guess there's a crosswalk out here. So most people, you know, sometimes in Bangkok they run across those median grasses, but here there's like this thing right here. So actually, this little space, probably nobody would run across this particular space, I don't think. So yeah, so if he has a home there, I guess it's I guess it works. There's lunch. What's that? Like either like a, oh, he might be like a vendor. He might just sell purses. I think those are purses. So he might just be a guy that sells those things. So he must just keep all that stuff there. The work desk there with his tools. Yeah, I guess he's a vendor who must go up and down the street and selling some of these things, or bring some to other places to sell too. Anyways, kind of interesting. Okay, we're gonna zoom on out of here. All under the skies, all under the Bangkok skyline here.